Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now we are starting equilibrium constant expression for some reactions. So with the help of some reaction we will express the equilibrium constant in four types. The first case is homogeneous gaseous equilibria when delta n is equals to 0. For this we will take example of synthesis of hydrogen iodide. So first of all we have to calculate Kc. Suppose the initial concentration of iodine is A and B respectively. X is the degree of dimension, X is the degree of dissociation, and the V is the volume in liter. So we have write all the possible suppositions. Now hydrogen gas plus iodine gas in reversible reaction give Hi in gaseous state. So we have to write the initial concentration. What are the initial concentration for these reactions? For hydrogen the initial concentration is A, for iodine the initial concentration is B, and for Hi is equals to 0. Now moles at equilibrium. Moles at equilibrium are the A minus X, B minus X and 2X total. Now active mass is equals to A minus X by volume, B minus X by the volume, and last one is 2X minus 2X by volume. So these are the reaction conditions. Now according to the law of mass of action, according to law of mass of action, we can write that Kc is equals to the product by the reactants sum, reactants multiplication, H2 I2. So now we have to put all the given values in these reactions. So after putting all the reactions, the equation will look like this: 4x square bracket A minus X and B minus X. The volume will be cancelled in both the cases because this will become V square, and after multiplying these two V, we will also get V square. So V square by V square is cancelled out and the remaining will be this value. So this is the first part. Now second part for this is calculation of Kp. Now the second part is calculation of Kp. The equilibrium constant Kp can also be calculated considering partial pressure of reactants and the products at equilibrium. So again we will take the reaction H2 gas plus I2 in reversible reaction gives 2Hi in gaseous state. So again we have to write the initial concentration, moles at equilibrium, and the total number of moles at equilibrium. So first of all the initial concentrations are A, for I2 it will be B same, and for the final product it will be 0. Moles at equilibriums are A minus X, B minus X and 2X. Similarly, now the total number of moles are at equilibrium are A minus X plus B minus X plus 2X, which will gives A plus B. So how will A plus B come? A minus X plus B minus X plus 2X. A plus B, these minus and minus will become plus, so minus 2X plus 2X, minus and plus are cancelled, the remaining is A plus B. So the total pressure of system at equilibrium at P temperature is partial pressure. We will write partial pressure of hydrogen, partial pressure of iodine and partial pressure of Hi. So first of all we will write partial pressure of hydrogen. It will be A minus X, the moles at equilibrium, now upon the total number of moles at equilibrium A plus B multiply by the P. Second one is similarly B minus X by A plus B multiply by P. Last one is pH, P partial pressure of HI, it will be 2x by A plus B multiplied by the pressure. Now therefore for the Kp we know that it will be the ratio of reactants and the products. So we will put all the given data in this formula. So it will be square of the product by the multiplication of products by the multiplications of reactants. So after solving this we will get 4x square by A minus x and B minus x. All the common values will be cancelled out, and then we will get this last final answer. This also follows the relationship between Kp equals to Kc RT delta N. Here delta N is equals to 0, that means Kp is equals to Kc. That means all the gaseous reactions of this type Kp and Kc are equal and have no unit. So these are the two topics. Now these are some more effects that affect the homogeneous gaseous equilibria. So first one is effect of pressure. The effect of pressure is that Kc or the Kp is directly proportional to the pressure, as the equation does not include the volume term. Kc is independent of pressure. Now effect of adding substance. Substance means the reactants and the products. On adding reactants, the rate of forward reaction increase, whereas on adding product the rate of backward reaction increase. That means the concentration of reactant increase, the rate of forward reaction increase, and if concentration of product increase, then the rate of backward reaction increases. Now the last one is effect of temperature. The formation of Hi from hydrogen and iodine is exothermic reaction, means there is emission of heat. So by increasing temperature, the value of Kc decreases. That means as the temperature increase, the value of Kc decreases and it will emit heat, which is known as exothermic reaction. So these are the some topics or some points related to this topic. Thank you so much for watching my video.